It's Arthur, WFDQuant. I would like to show you this trade which I opened today. At the moment is in profit, but what I want to show you isn't the profit itself. It's how I came to the idea to open that trade in the first place, and why I selected this particular pair to go long in this occasion. And then maybe you will have a better understanding how to use the tools which actually WFDQuant provides. So on the beginning, I'm going to weekly brief. Weekly brief is published every week, late Sunday, early Monday. Occasionally when it's worth, and I believe it's important, I do daily briefs. However, in a weekly brief, apart all the information, what was going on in the last week, how we did perform, how the market did perform. There is like a summary of the pairs worth attention in the coming week. And on top of this list is a GBPJPY. Okay, it got bullish basis and 46 points, which is the highest across all the 7 pairs. Based on that, I go to analytics, and here on the first view we can see that top 3 setups, it's the best, it's a GBPJPY. And then, if that is not enough for me to convince me, because it's just simple information, I'm going to create the on-demand opportunity shortlist. When I generate that, with including H4 and D1, I can see here JPY is weak on a 15-minute chart. It's a broad JPY weakness, actually dominant. On a higher time frame context, 1 hour chart, again we got JPY weakness, and NZD, JPY, Euro USD, it's another one which I might consider, and GBPJPY is again here, like a bullish. Yes. On the 4-hour chart, we got exactly the same situation. Obviously, it's a different scoring depending on the time frame which that test is done. However, we can see everywhere across GBPJPY. From here, I decided, okay, I will be playing GBPJPY, and the market structure actually showed me that there was a signal on a zigzag, which I'm using the zigzag every break version 2. And that actually showed me that direction is pretty much correct. I will show you where is the WFDQuant weekly brief. Weekly brief came in live approximately 1 o'clock last night. So that's where it was written. And then it came on LinkedIn approximately 10 o'clock, somewhere here. So let's assume it was here. However, the publication of that, it was early. So let's assume it was somewhere here. Based on this information which I had from the website, that is not signal to get into the position. That is giving you an idea what you want to trade. So going back to MT5, what I do, I'm looking for signals, maybe not signals, confirmations. Where is a good place to enter? I had a whole picture, but I was getting into the trade from the 15-minute chart. Where after this rejection, despite not having the signal here from the zigzag, but I had it before, I took it as a good place to enter with a stop loss just below this pin bar. And keeping that, despite the bearish signal in a candle pattern, spike pin, but I'm trying to play a bit longer. It's secured above a break even, and I will be aiming over here, but with a trailing stop about 400 points. Why here? Because it's still within the recent tops on D1, slightly above. However, I am honest with myself and I don't believe it will get that high. But trailing stop probably will let me keep this trade for a bit, unless it will return just like a pullback before the further continuation. What indicators are here? At the moment, I am just using this tool, rejection pattern. However, I use also this one. And on M15, we have the confirmation that which we were waiting for after weekly brief, where it's a good place to get in. The beauty of this signal is not repainting, like those are not repainting, because it's not coming on the screen straight away. It's after confirmation of the second candle. So basically it works backwards, not in that certain moment. Let's keep fingers crossed. Let's see how the trade will play out. And I hope you enjoyed and understood a little bit more about the WFDQuant and the tools which are very useful for day-to-day trading. Thank you. Bye.